Agromatic starts as a pedagogical strategy. It searches to solve daily problems in the agriculture and livestock practices. Therefore, its solution is found with the technological implementation. It has permitted the ACT and technology implementation in the livestock processes. It will allow to improve in the population practices. That's how the Agromatic brings food security and quality of life to the general community. This process has been achieved with 53 devices. These devices have the capacity to monitor crops and parameters associated with this process. Among, we can find humidity, temperature, and evaporation meters, so on. But fundamentally, there are two basic meters in the world: the clarifier by length and weight meter, and the meter meteorological custodian. The Agromatic has indicated a huge motivating in the mentality rural youngers who feel the social deprivation.
We want to improve the farming practices of the region. That is why we have implemented technological mechanisms that allow us to monitor variables such as chlorophyll, humidity, soil pH, and other factors. So we seek to identify the types of crops and under what level of conditions we can plan efficiently for the sustainable development of our families.
We have detected a risk problem since we are surrounded by two large rivers, so we decided to keep them under observation by measuring their height, area, volume, and flow to the level of rain. For this, we designed technological mechanisms which facilitates monitoring to alert the community for a possible overflow or avalanche.
Agromatic project has taught us how to identify variables through organoleptic and physiogenic analysis that allow us how to measure and carry out data to a computer. Using database and plotting the growth, trying to obtain a better production of our crops.
The members of our educational institution are highly pleased and committed. I could say that even passionate about this project called Agromatica. This project is formulated and based practically on pedagogical research as a learning strategy. The objective of this project is to improve the conditions and agricultural practices in the plots and rural sector. But this way, we make attractive the countryside. We can transform it and turn our small farms into the companies, and at the same time, our farmers become entrepreneurs.